survive.
For family life blended, here's Ron Deal.
Okay, teens, if you're listening, check down this list and tell your parents what you think. Number 1, parents, be flexible with students, but love them enough. The waves cloak of the line. The news is strand that hangs low. For many hours and days that bound so soon. The tides are cold. So te lo aseguro que como ella no hay dos, él falló y ella se vuelve loca. Loving it best down, it's just showing that skin, trying to make it on the fit. When the thing goes in, the thing that comes in, you got it outside anyway. The music, followed by Rod Stewart, Frankie Carlisle, the rapper, and Ricky Martin. On the road now. Is giving conflicting messages when it comes to a possible peace deal with Iran. More ahead from CBS News. Sports, the White Sox about to face off against the Angels in Anaheim. Just a matter of minutes.
It's pre-recorded, so our phone lines are not open.
Economic headline.